When using the IDE for the first time, you need to download the ESP32 board. Search for ESP32 in the board manager and select the version to download. Currently, version 3.0 has not been fully adapted to all boards, so we are using version 2.0. The 2.0.14 version of ESP32 has been downloaded here.
Open the Arduino software, click on Tool, and in the pop-up window, select Board, ESP32. Here, you will find boards with different chips. Selecting different boards requires different settings, which can be found in the README file on GitHub for device information and configuration. To learn about the chip used in a device, you can select a product on the official website. Click on the product and scroll down to find the product specifications in the details page. The T-Display S3 uses the ESP32 S3 chip. While the T3 LoRa32 uses the ESP32 chip. When choosing products, you can find the corresponding information of the products at the bottom of the product detail page.
Take T-Display S3 as an example. First, find a product and obtain the sample repository from the details page. Click to enter the GitHub link corresponding to the product, and there will be corresponding configuration instructions in the document. According to these configurations, first compile the sample, then select the serial port to download to the device, and the firmware download can be completed. Before using Arduino, in addition to downloading the corresponding board type, you also need to port the product's lib. Move to the Arduino library folder. After porting the lib, use Arduino IDE to open the sample. Click Tool, find Board, and select the corresponding model of the device. The settings here are based on the information obtained from the GitHub link. Click Compile and wait for the compilation to complete. The compilation has been successful here. Click Tool and select the corresponding port of the device. After ensuring the device is in download mode, simply click to download. For instructions on entering download mode, you can refer to the video posted by LILYGO on YouTube.